This is 318 Essex Street in Bangor. It's a 3-unit apartment building. It's a pretty quiet residential area, sort of near the tree streets. It's at the Stillwater end of Essex Street. Actually, Stillwater Avenue is right down here at the light. It does have one off-street parking spot, or actually probably two. The parking is right here off the driveway. We're going to look at apartment number 1. This is the entrance to number 1. It does have its own private entrance. Has a little porch area. Apartment 1 is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. It's townhouse style, so it has an upstairs and a downstairs. Whoop! Got a little kitty that wants to run out. So you come into a little entry area here, and here's the stairway. It has a little bit of room under the stairs for storage. This has all been renovated very, very nicely. It has new flooring, new paint on the walls. It's a pretty spacious apartment. There's a lot of room. It's a good sized living room. This has a light and ceiling fan here. This is sort of a living room, dining room combination. And over here's the kitchen. Again, this is all nicely redone. You have a built-in microwave, glass top stove. You do have a dishwasher. And then here off the kitchen is the half bath, and it does come with the actual stackable washer and dryer. So those are included with the unit. And again, this is a 2-story. So there's 2 bedrooms and a full bath upstairs. So again, this is an older house that has been renovated into 3 apartments. So there's a little area here up at the top of the stairs. And then this is the full bath. So it does have a tub shower up here. I'm sorry, it just has a shower up here, which is an oversized shower. And have a little kitty who's following me around. And this is one of the bedrooms. This is the larger one, I would say. It does have a bow window. A closet over here. This is a queen-size bed. And again, there's still plenty of room for other furniture. Then over here is the 2nd bedroom, which the current tenant is using as an office. And this one has 2 closets. And this is a pretty decent sized room as well. So again, a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath, townhouse style apartment, 318 Essex Street. This is apartment number 1. If you are interested, you can contact us on rentbangor.com, or you can call 207-974-6606.